welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girls. So today I want to thank Luvwin for sending over this wig. Look at this wig. Am I giving storm? Yes, I am. But I want to thank them for sending over this wig to me, you guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. It's a 5x5 closure. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install because I just feel so spicy. All right, you guys, we got a Luvwin wig today. Oh my gosh, y'all. You guys aren't ready for this wig. But okay, so we got a little goodie bag. We have 2 hair clips. Have a wig cap, melting band, and a rat tail comb. What's in here? Oh, look. Oh, look, they sent me a little set. We have a comb. We have the 3-way comb. We have another 2-way comb. This one has like some ridges in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Another rat tail comb. Listen, all the combs. We have a combing brush. And then the big handled comb. Oh, I love this. I definitely needed it. Definitely needed it. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side because I'll be using that today too. And then we have the wig. Y'all, we got a salt and pepper wig today. I'm gonna have to change my shirt. I'm gonna put on a black shirt. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, this black shirt is gonna be better. This is gonna be better. Okay, so we have a salt and pepper wig. Can't remember if the wig is 10 or 12 inches, but let's get a close up on the hair. It's really nice and silver, y'all. Here's a close up on the lace. This is either a 4x, I think this is a 5x5. It's a 5x5 lace wig. It does have a adjustable elastic band. It has a comb at the back, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, so the hair is nice and thick, really nice and thick. I'm going to put some foundation on the lace off camera real quick. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm excited. I've tried one other silver wig or salt and pepper wig before, but that was like a couple years ago. So all right, let's go ahead and get into it. right, you guys. So, how's it look? It's cute, right? It's cute, right? Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. Okay, so again, this is a 12-inch salt and pepper 5x5 closure wig. I did use my even spray to glue it down, but you don't actually have to. It laid really, really well. As you can see, it looks really, really cute. It has a lot of body, If you're a salt and pepper girl, or you want to be a salt and pepper girl, definitely, most definitely check this out. I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below, as well as a discount code for you guys. So make sure you guys check that out. Also, drop a comment, tell me how you guys like this wig. It is so stinking cute. It's so cute. I feel like I look like that, what's that girl? Storm. Yes, I'm giving Storm. I feel like this would be a cute wig if I want to play Storm for this winter for Halloween. It's so stinking cute. But comment below, tell me if you guys are feeling this or not. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.